I'm gonna have a little bit of ranch, bro. Buttermilk ranch with this. How good is it, dude? How good is it? It's amazing. Alright, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? What's good? Welcome back to another video. We're joined with our buddy Tavon.
Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir.
Tell us a little about yourself.
Nothing, I'm just, name's Tavon. I golf, that's my hobby.
Wait.
And I love to cook.
This is another Everybody Eats. Today we're at
Hook's Fish and Chicken, baby.
Hook's Fish and Chicken. Now this is a recommendation from Tavon because I've never even heard of this place.
Yeah, Hook's Fish and Chicken, man. Just know it's Jesus.
I'm excited, bro.
Just know it's gonna be Jesus when y'all see it.
I'm so excited. All right.
Look at that.
Oh,
I got the chicken and shrimp, bro. This thing looks so good.
Look at this. They have some sort of
always wanted to try it, bro.
some
So shout
special
out, bro.
dusting on there.
I gotta try
What's a
it.
dusting?
He's already into it.
Let's go.
Oh, already. Dude, this whole
go.
thing's coated in,
I'm just
what is
gonna-
it, lemon pepper?
That will make you smack your mama twice a day. I swear to God. Oh my God.
I'm so excited.
Make you smack your mama. I'm gonna put some barbecue sauce on it, but the chicken itself.
Woo! Is it that good?
This is better than one in Penn Hills.
Give me honey mustard.
Dude, this is better than Cane's.
No way.
This chicken tender right here is the best chicken tender I ever put in my life. In my mouth. In my life.
Stop it.
All right,
I'm telling you, bro. It's so good.
me and Tay both got the chicken sandwich. I'm trying this.
I had to try something new.
I'm trying some honey mustard.
I'm getting
The barbecue?
Huh?
Like a barbecue?
Let me try it.
I'm gonna have a little bit of ranch, bro. Buttermilk ranch with this.
How good is it, dude? How good is it? It's amazing.
You said,
This might be the best chicken sandwich I've ever had in my life.
Bro, they sprinkle Jesus on here. You're
Yeah.
right. He's right.
they really did. This is Jesus.
They do,
This is
because like
Jesus.
the bun is coated in the lemon pepper too. This is incredible.
I might put fries on it.
Oh
this is amazing.
my
I
god,
might have to put fries on
I love the amount of seasoning they put on this, dude.
it.
the chicken is so freaking juicy, and that
I'm telling you, dude, it's the best chicken I think I've ever
Nah,
had in my life.
this chicken is juicy.
It's some of the best chicken I've ever had in my life.
dude, it might be, cause like
Look at that. Like pure,
even the bun.
nice and white, and look at the outside. It's just crispy and seasoned to death, bro. Like it is perfect. It is perfect. It is perfect. I'll come
How about
here.
honey mustard?
I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk about it.
How good is the chicken sandwich?
1 to 10?
Yeah, just
One
like
to
that.
10, I'll give it a 12. I really would. I did not expect the chicken to be like this.
It's not
I really
incredible, and dude, the seasoning on the bun literally makes it an experience.
Dude, I would eat this over Cane's any day of the week. Any day of the week.
My gosh, I honestly would too.
Imagine this was like,
Yes, because there's so much more than just chicken.
oh my god, look what I just did.
Dude,
You ever had this? You ever had Zach sauce?
Exactly, no.
Dude, and we have chicken with us? Oh my god, it's about to be amazing.
What is that?
I'm about to say
What
eat
is
this.
that?
It's amazing. That's all you need to know.
That's amazing. That's all you need to know.
Oh my fucking
I'm gonna
God.
tell you how it is.
I'm so
with the fries
excited.
On the rib.
Oh my god.
ah,
Yeah, put fries on it, yo.
I'm done. That was incredible. Just one, but I got the
I got
tilapia.
two. Well, I knew
Try
it
that.
was good.
Tell me what you think.
Oh my god, I'm gonna cry.
I might cry.
That's amazing.
Oh my god, that sauce is good. One.
Freaking Zach sauce from Zach's.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
what is this sauce?
Holy shit.
Come on, give me the recipe.
This is the,
Give
dude.
me the-
How good is that?
oh my god. Y'all
Fucking
using this?
try it, dude. Eat the rest. I don't fucking care. I'm out of chicken, so you can have it. Oh, dude, the fries.
Fries are good. Oh my god.
These are the best fries we've had on the show. These are the best fries we've had on the show.
You put some,
Easily.
If you add extra lemon pepper, yo.
This is the best food. This might be one of my favorite places.
And honestly, dude,
It's one of my favorite places.
this lemon pepper on the fries, and they're crunchy. That's what you want. This is all you want in a fry right here.
Woo.
Even the shrimp, bro.
I shouldn't have ate breakfast today. I'm bad.
How good is that?
It's amazing.
This is delicious.
I love it.
I'm glad I tried the chicken sandwich. You tried tilapia? You get the tilapia?
Yeah, I'm going in now.
Tilapia. Mm.
This is
Another
amazing.
level.
You might fight me. you might fight me if you try the tilapia. Just because it's not good. I got more of the Zaxby sauce. It's the real question.
Go ahead.
God damn.
How good is it?
Oh my God.
Eat it with the rest of your
I
stuff.
just want to take
We
that
have
home.
none left.
All right.
Guess what?
That was our last
I'm
one.
gonna take this home.
It was worth it.
Take the,
When are we gonna come back?
we'll go back. But
Oh.
what is this bread? Is this bread in it?
Oh, you want one? You can have one.
Nah, just give me a piece of it though.
This is the tilapia. He gave me 4, I asked for 3.
Shit, that's a real G.
That's
a real
amazing!
G. That's
Look
a
at
real
that!
G.
All right, I'm gonna try this tilapia.
I like the tilapia, yes.
Oh,
Not sure if I have a fucking spoon, so we're going with a French fry.
oh my God!
1 to 10, yo. I told you every time I go there,
12.
I get the tilapia. It just has to be done.
I'm not a big fish guy, but I'll give.
You will be after this.
Oh my God.
That's how you should eat fish.
There's
Yeah,
so
that's-
much seasoning on this.
My mouth is hot.
It's really hot, but I'm trying it with Zach sauce.
Like, yeah, this is one of the best chicken sandwiches I have.
It is. Like,
It really is.
This is the best chicken I've ever had in my life.
You ever had Popeyes?
No.
What's that?
I said no.
Oh my. For a small company wise, and this competes for this competes for Popeyes for real.
this fish is so like fresh. This is literally like I died and went to heaven, and this is what I'm eating in heaven. Like this is.
This is the last meal I ever ate on this planet, then I'm okay.
You cool with that?
I'm okay.
He said I'm cool with that.
I'm okay.
I'm cool with it.
I'm okay. I mean, it just tastes like hot sauce.
This came with bread.
Probably might be just red.
This is what I'm gonna do right here. Watch this.
I'm so hot. That's what I was gonna do.
All right, here's the shrimp. I'm gonna try the shrimp. Zach sauce or no?
Just eat it plain first. It's good. I have more too. Pull another one.
Absolutely unbelievable.
The
good,
jumbo
dude.
shrimp, yo. I swear to God, the jumbo shrimp goes to here, to here.
Yo, yo,
I swear to God. It's not regular shrimp. It's not. It's a different type of shrimp, but it's, oh my God. Man, this honey mustard.
Look at this, bro.
I know.
Oh my God.
I got ranch and Zach sauce on here.
Honey mustard.
I got ranch, Zach sauce, fries, and chicken on 2 pieces of white bread.
I'm going fish, honey mustard, fries, tartar sauce. See how that plays out.
Shut up.
This is amazing.
No way. You just put honey mustard on a tilapia?
You wanna try it?
Yeah, rip that piece off.
Just eat it.
This might be weird, but just do. Take a bite.
How is it?
Take a bite. Take a bite.
You might have did something.
Take a bite.
Yo, Fred, you might have did something. Yo, you might have did something with this honey mustard. It's the honey mustard. You might have did something.
What is that?
Ranch, Zach sauce, fries, and chicken. Just take a bite. Take a bite from it.
Wow.
Oh my God. You might have did something.
Wow.
With this tilapia.
How good is that honey mustard?
This honey mustard.
Do we have more?
There's some more right here. Here.
Listen to me. We definitely gonna stop by. I'm gonna take some honey mustard to go. Just the honey mustard. Just the honey mustard.
You read
Just the
Bojangles honey mustard?
I have Bojangles though.
You'll cry.
You know what? I'm gonna put the fish on the chicken with the fries and with the hot sauce.
Oh my gosh. Put honey mustard on there.
We're getting creative here, folks. We're getting
We
creative.
get real creative today.
Wow, this is great. This might be one of the greatest feasts we've had on this show.
This might be the best feast.
I love this. Oh my gosh, what a creation.
Oh my God. Look at that.
Look at that.
Oh, you can't even see it. Here.
What's it? It's
ahead.
freaking chicken. Chicken?
Fries, hot sauce, honey mustard, and tilapia.
Wow. And the freaking great bread.
How is it?
Is it heaven?
He's crying, boys. Ladies and gentlemen. When no words are said,
He's crying.
you know.
How is it? Heaven?
Another bite down.
I don't know how to describe it.
Dude, this place is so
I
fucking
definitely
good.
took a bite of Jesus' arm.
Let's go.
Definitely a bite of Jesus' arm right there.
Listen,
And the fries with his fingers. Oh my God. We gotta
it's
go back.
absolutely
We gotta get back.
incredible.
We gotta tell him.
We gotta tell them like, yo,
We gotta,
you guys did something here.
no, it's a cook. It was that
How's the
cook.
coleslaw?
It was that cook.
You know what?
It was that cook. It has to be. Even that lady came in. And she
said
said
it's
this is the
good.
best cook.
So we
Oh
walk.
my God.
He knows what's up, bro.
So we walk in there. Next time we come here, we don't see him, we leave.
If we don't see that exact same black man, I'm leaving. I'm gonna be like, where's that other black? Oh, here on break?
He's like,
I'm on break then.
He's like, I'm waiting. I'm waiting.
I'm on break too.
I'm waiting. He really is an angel.
Mm-hmm. He knew.
He's an absolute angel.
Who knew? My God.
We've literally been mixing everything together, bro, and it's still amazing.
That's what I'm
It
saying.
just gets
If you
better.
can
That's
mix
what I mean.
food together
When you can mix
and
everything
still
together,
be good,
yeah.
We're bringing out sauce from a different freaking restaurant. It's
then
like
it's still good.
It's a party in here, bro. It's literally like a party in here, low key.
Nah,
Dude,
but
I'm
the
a mess.
best one you did today is tilapia
with the honey
and
mustard.
under fucking mustard. Oh my God.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my, you really can't beat that.
Listen to me.
I'm talking about that. We're going
If you've never been here, come here.
What is this called? Hooks?
ASAP, bro.
Hooks Fish and
ASAP.
Chicken.
Hooks Fish and Chicken,
Hooks
bro. If
Fish
you've
and
never been
Chicken.
here, come here ASAP. I don't care.
What town we in?
I'll blow your mind.
You gotta come
It was
to this.
on
You gotta come to this.
Federal
Federal Street is Pittsburgh, downtown, kind of downtown.
I wish we had the cook's name.
Not too far from PNC Park.
My phone now. I'm about to see what town we in.
Yeah, it's really cool. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, comment, like. If you want to see us go anywhere, just comment below. And hit the bell too, so you know whenever we get we post our new videos. We just started a Twitter, so check that out. It's called grubguys_. We're trying to get that bigger. You can tweet at us, tell us where you guys want us to go.
Twitter and Instagram.
Yeah, and Instagram. Check us out on Instagram. They'll be in our descriptions below. But yeah, check out Tavon's Instagram, Tay Jeter. Was it at Tay Jeter?
Yeah, Shay Jeter. 2 hours at the end though. 2 hours at the end.
But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for our next video.
Go to Hooks
And
Fish
thank
and
you.
Thanks for having me there. Thanks for having
Go
me.
to Hooks, yeah.
Sure.
Thanks
Sure.
for coming on.
Peace.